have over here? Whatever it is, it looks like it's just recently been built. And they're finishing up the landscaping right now. And then we have this end of this cul-de-sac here where it's a private driveway, it looks like. Oh, this is Public Works up here. This is Department of Public Works. Look, everybody. So, this is the property of Los Angeles County Department of Public Works. Trespassing, loitering, forbidden by law, up to $1,000 fine or 6 months imprisonment or both. California Penal Code, Section 555 ET-SEQ. So here's the gate. It's very nice. It's all stone, and the facility must be behind here. It must be over here. That's where it is. There's a man up there on the phone. He probably a worker or something. Hello, sir.
How you doing? Can I help you?
No, I don't need no help.
You can let go,
Oh, well, you're out in public on the sidewalk, sir. But you just were on the sidewalk, and even if you're on private property, I'm here filming. I can.
That's fine. Do whatever you gotta do.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for reversing, telling me not to film. 5005 McConnell Avenue. He didn't like me filming, but then he said, go ahead. Stands in front of my camera and says, can I help you? Thanks for offering to help, sir. There he goes. I'm filming everything out in public. Yeah, I just go out and record. I'm trying to get into the Bryman School to the photography lessons. So I go out and record anything I can see. I'm not here for any bad meaning. Yeah, you're welcome. Have a good day, too. Yep. Hopefully Bryman School will let me into school. If they don't, I don't know what I'm going to do. Yeah, the guy says, I don't want to be filmed. Go do what you're doing. Sees me, and then you could see how angry he got. Got really angry. Then he backed up like he's violent or something. Why are you filming my truck? He's another dummy. But I calmed him down, didn't I? Absolutely. There's no reason to get upset. You don't want to beat up the Rain Man. That would be terrible.